Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn a very beautiful paper origami. You can see it, very beautiful and surprising. Just you have to go through my tutorial and just follow the instruction and you can make it. Please do subscribe my channel and share your friends, and let's see how can we make it. Take a square paper of 15 centimeter versus 15 centimeter, and this is a one-sided color. First fold along this line. Okay, unfold it and then fold along opposite side. Then fold along diagonal side. Done. And then fold to the another diagonal side. Okay, unfold it, then match to line. And match these two line also. Okay, that's done. You have to make total 8 unit. This is 1 unit. Two, 3, 4. Sorry, you have to make total 6 unit. 5 and 6. Okay, let's assemble total 6 unit. Take two opposite color and this side will going to be this side, just like this. Okay, done. Take another color, put this portion like this and put this portion into this. Okay, done. Now take a green color and you have to put this portion along this side and this portion will going to be this pocket, just like this. Done. Now take the orange color, and this portion is going to be this side, and this two portion is going to be this two pocket. Done. Then take blue color, and this two side going with these two pocket, just like this, and so how is it? Is it not easy and beautiful? Please share your friends, and please subscribe my channel and do like. Thank you for your love, and stay blessed. Thank you.